Hi guys, it's Ron. Tech tips, tech stuff. How's it going? This is mainly for teachers and people training this video. This is people running Snagit and Camtasia and Bluetooth, especially this is about all about Bluetooth. I've been using Camtasia for years with Bluetooth mics, not mics, Bluetooth headphones, and I've had problems in certain versions with it not working. If you're running a Bluetooth microphone, you should be using a USB microphone, not a Bluetooth microphone. A decent wired USB microphone. Now, when it comes to headphones, it's hit and miss. Some headphones have Bluetooth. You can do all your editing and your video with just the Bluetooth headphones on, and no problems. Other people won't. They'll have problems with Camtasia or Snag not working properly. So there's a solution to this and a workaround. It's a very simple one that I've been using for the last 10 years. I've been using this program for years. So basically what you do is you go to your headphones, plug in this is a four pole 3.5 millimeter jack plugged in a headphone going into a 3-pole female jack on the computer, and it will still work. So plug it in. Actually, new computers will have 4 poles anyways. And so now we're not wired. Bluetooth is off. So here it's playing. And say we wanted to record some audio, recording. But if you didn't have headphones, what would happen was playing it back through your computer, it would be picked up by the mic. And the mic won't sound right. It just won't sound right at all. So let's go and check out the website here. I'll play some tunes. See, that's where Bluetooth can cause problems with some people with Camtasia. Like I said, it's hit and miss with it's hitting with the headphones. Some headphones will work no problem. Other headphones will not work. You'll have to use this cable method to make it work. Once again, Snagit, and I'll put a link in the description for a full trial of Snagit and Camtasia. Just down below. Click down below, and you'll be taken to a site and from TechSmith, and you'll get a copy of the program and try it out and see how it works. Once again, it's geared towards teachers. Anyone doing any kind of training on the computer at all, you need Camtasia or Snagit. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.